how to open a Lloyds bank account online. So first of all, you need to go to this website, lloydsbank.com. Now, you need to scroll all the way down until you find this section here, Products and Services, and click on Current Accounts. Now here you'll see the options you have to open an account: Classic, Club Lloyds, Silver account, and Platinum. I'm going to go with Classic, but you can choose the one you want. Now click Ready to apply. And here you'll see these options. Since I would be a new customer, I'm going to click here. Now go down and click Continue here. Here you'll get a QR code so you can continue on your phone, but we can continue on the browser here by clicking Continue. You'll need to fill in these questions, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. Okay, now going down and Continue. Perfect. Lastly, you'll need to fill all this information: first name, middle name, last name, everything you see here. And once you're done, you simply click Continue. I can't because I haven't filled the information, but once you fill it in, you'll be creating your Lloyds bank account online. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing.